Amazon jungle provide ecosystem of different species. Some animals eating the grass and try to survive for food. It contains lot of parrots like different species. In the Amazon jungle, the white parrot also present, which are very near in the earth. It looks so beautiful because its color is white. The tall tree of Amazon jungle provide oxygen for the ecosystem of animals. It is also called the lungs of earth because 25% oxygen provided to the earth for animals by the Amazon jungle. These animals is the types of cat which contain large whale. These cats are carnivores. Red deers are also part of Amazon jungle. Prey and predator also contain in the Amazon jungle because it provide and survive for food. Mostly the deers are the hunter of lion. Lions are waiting for food because it have large meals. Amazon lions like African lion, which has large hairs on the neck. It look very dangerous. Amazon jungle is very thick. No drop of rain fall on the earth of Amazon jungle because it is very thick. One of the most popular species of the Amazon jungle is jaguar. Different types of jaguars. Jaguars eating meals. Different types of jaguars also present in the Amazon jungle. This jaguar eating some animals which can be hunted by the jaguar in the Amazon jungle. Now at a time the tourists started visit to the Amazon jungle and try to survive there and create a hut for living of humans. But it is very dangerous because very harmful elements are present. No parrots which can be eat different parts of the plants. Prey and predators are also present in the Amazon jungle. One of the most harmful species of Amazon jungle is the snakes. These snakes are very poisonous. All types of snakes are present in the Amazon jungle. It contains few centimeters to 35 feet long. The most famous snake of Amazon jungle is the black cobra. It contains high poisonousness. You can estimate the Amazon jungle thickness. It cannot fall the raindrop on the Amazon earth because their leaves and branches is so long which cannot dry the water of rainfall drop on the earth. Amazon is the unbelievable part of the earth.